If you're planning electrical work at your home or small business, you may need to submit a service request to Hydro Ottawa. Hydro Ottawa can help if you plan to connect a new electrical service, make changes as part of a renovation, or remove your service. It's not needed for move-ins or move-outs. Before starting your project, we recommend you hire a licensed electrician who can help determine your requirements, like the number of meters and amperage you need. You'll need to identify who will be the point of contact for the project, the property owner or electrician, for example, and provide their contact information to Hydro Ottawa. Submitting a request is quick and easy with our online form. The more details you provide, the better. It takes time to order equipment and schedule crews, so submit your form well in advance. We'll be in touch to discuss your project. A technician will visit your property and provide a free estimate. Once the estimate is approved by you, we'll generate an invoice to cover the work. Once paid, you can begin prepping for your project. You'll then need to book inspections and get a connection authorization from the ESA, or Electrical Safety Authority, before our crew comes and completes the work. Whether you handle this on your own or your electrician takes care of it, we're here to help. For more information, call or visit us online at hydroottawa.com/service request.